Welcome back to another episode of vidIQ Shorts. 60 seconds, one topic, let's go. Have you ever checked your private messages inbox on YouTube? It sits under the comments section of the community area of the Creator Studio. How do you send private messages like this to channels? It's done through the About section of a video creator's channel page by clicking on the message button. Those messages then fall into the message pot and are treated like comments, in that they are filtered in the same way and you can reply directly to them. And why should you care about all this? Well, you shouldn't actually. This long existing but rarely used communication system is being phased out by YouTube, and come July 9th of 2018, you will no longer be able to send, receive or read private messages in the Creator Studio. You can still directly contact video creators if they set up a business email, but that obviously takes you off of YouTube. And keep your eyes peeled for this new messaging button that's starting to appear on desktop layout. More on that in a future 60-second video.